Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the one our special guest. Here you can see this is the iPhone 14 product red color. Now we are going to unbox it. Okay, that's it's time to unbox. Here you can see the box is very slim and small. There is no charger inside this box nowadays for flagship mobiles. Okay, now it's time to unbox it. Here you can see this side we need to tear this sticker. Okay, let's pull it down. Okay, it's time to open the box. Ta ta ta. iPhone. I'm the one of the fan of Apple guys. Ooh, three, two, one, boom! Here you can see this is the iPhone 14 product red. How is it, guys? It's very shiny. Let's get started. Okay, now let's see what they have given inside this box. Here you can see they have provided one charging cable, but that is not adapter. You need to buy it separately in online. This is the charging cable of iPhone 14. Yeah, let's open it up. Let's see how much length. Okay, good. Yeah, they have provided decent length wire. This is the iPhone 14 charging cable. Here you can see. Okay, let's keep this side and let's see next what they have given. Oh, they have given some of the booklets designed by Apple in California. Okay. Oh, product red card was they have given. Okay, next they have provided one SIM ejector tool. Okay, next they are given some guides for iPhone. It's mini guide. Okay, let's keep it aside. And next they are given one sticker, Apple sticker. You can see. You can stick it somewhere. Yeah, this is the iPhone 14. How is it, guys? Just send in the comment section. I really impressed it by saying this phone. It's look pretty glossy and shiny. How is it, guys? There is no words to tell. Simply, I need to tell means simply it's awesome mobile phone, guys. Okay, let's take this scratch card. Okay, you can see this is the OLED panel screen of iPhone 14. It's pretty glossy and shiny too. even you can see your face. Okay, how is it, guys? It's a special color. It's a product red. This color name is. Okay, let's come to the quick specs. Let's we can see this iPhone 14 is 172 gram weight, and it has a super retina display. It is powered by OLED display too, and they are using A15 Bionic chip processor, 6-core GPU in this iPhone 14. And in backside camera, there's a 12 MP main lens, and it records up to 4K video recording. And next, they have provided a 12 MP ultra wide lens too. There is no telephoto in iPhone 14. In 14 Pro Max, they are providing. And next is 12 MP camera. Another camera is, and it supports wireless charging up to 15 watt, guys. Let's see how is this product, guys. And okay, guys, if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely, I will reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. See you in next video.